If you are just getting started in the stock market, one of the most important decisions you can make is choosing the right app to begin with. The app you use can shape your entire experience, from how easy it is to learn investing to how confident you feel when you make your first trade, and even how consistent you become over time. The truth is, the stock market can look intimidating at first, with charts moving up and down, numbers changing every second, and people talking about things like ETFs, dividends, and portfolios. But the right beginner-friendly app can simplify all of that and turn what looks complicated into something clear, structured, and even exciting. Now imagine this: you're sitting with your phone, and instead of confusion, you're actually seeing opportunities. You're not guessing randomly, you're learning how money grows, how companies are valued, and how people build long-term wealth. That's exactly what the best beginner stock apps are designed to help you do. And in this guide, we are going to walk through 5 of the best stock market apps that are widely used by beginners all over the world, especially those who want simplicity, safety, and a smooth learning curve. One of the most popular entry points into investing today is an app known as Robinhood. This app became famous for changing the way beginners enter the stock market by removing trading fees and making investing feel more accessible. What makes it so attractive for beginners is how clean and simple the interface is. When you open it, you don't get overwhelmed with complicated dashboards. Instead, you see straightforward stock prices, easy search options, and a smooth process for buying and selling shares. For someone just starting out, this simplicity can be a big advantage because it reduces fear and confusion. Robinhood also allows you to invest in fractional shares, which means you don't need a lot of money to start. Even if you only have a small amount, you can still buy part of a company like Apple or Tesla. That makes it easier for beginners who are not ready to invest large amounts of money. However, while it is simple and beginner-friendly, it is still important to understand that investing always carries risk. The market goes up and down, and no app can guarantee profit. Robinhood helps you get started, but your learning and discipline are what truly matter. Moving on to another powerful option, we have eToro. This app is slightly different because it introduces something called social trading. Instead of only making decisions on your own, you can actually see what other investors are doing, follow experienced traders, and even copy their strategies. For beginners, this can be very helpful because it gives you insight into how real investors think and act in the market. Imagine being able to look at someone's portfolio and understand what they are investing in and why. That is what eToro tries to make possible. It turns investing into something more interactive and less lonely. You are not just guessing anymore, you are learning from others who may have more experience. At the same time, it still gives you control over your own money, so you can choose who to follow and how much risk you are comfortable with. The platform also includes stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs in some regions, making it a more flexible option for beginners who want to explore different types of investments in one place. But just like any platform, copying others blindly is not a strategy for long-term success. The real value comes from understanding why certain decisions are made, not just copying them. Another very strong app that is widely recommended for beginners and also more advanced users is Webull. Webull offers a slightly more advanced experience compared to Robinhood, but it still remains beginner-friendly once you get used to it. What makes Webull stand out is the depth of information it provides. You get more detailed charts, technical indicators, market data, and analysis tools that help you understand price movements better. For someone who wants to grow from a complete beginner into a more informed investor, Webull can be a great transition app. It does not just show you what is happening in the market, it helps you understand why it is happening. You can look at candlestick charts, track trends, and even practice with paper trading, which is a simulated trading environment where you can learn without risking real money. Paper trading is one of the most valuable features for beginners because it allows you to make mistakes without financial consequences. You can test strategies, see how the market reacts, and build confidence before using real money. That learning phase is extremely important because most beginners lose money not because investing is impossible, but because they jump in too fast without practice. Now, if you are looking for something more traditional and highly trusted, especially if your goal is long-term investing and retirement planning, then Fidelity Investments is one of the strongest choices available. Fidelity is known for being reliable, secure, and packed with long-term investment tools. Unlike some apps that focus mainly on quick trading, Fidelity is built around wealth building over time. When you use Fidelity, you are not just buying stocks, you are building a portfolio that can include retirement accounts, mutual funds, ETFs, and more. The platform also provides strong educational resources, which is extremely helpful for beginners who want to actually understand investing instead of just guessing their way through it. It teaches you concepts like diversification, risk management, and long-term growth strategies in a structured way. Another thing that makes Fidelity stand out is its reputation. It is backed by decades of experience in the financial industry, which gives many beginners peace of mind. When you are trusting an app with your money, that level of stability matters a lot. Finally, we come to another major player in the investing world, Charles Schwab. This platform is especially popular among beginners who are thinking long-term and want access to both simple investing tools and professional level features as they grow. Charles Schwab offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, and retirement accounts, all in one ecosystem. What makes Charles Schwab particularly appealing is how it balances simplicity with depth. Beginners can start with very basic investing, but as they learn and grow, they can slowly move into more advanced strategies without needing to switch platforms. That continuity is very important because switching apps often can be confusing and disrupt your learning process. Schwab also provides strong customer support and educational content, which helps beginners understand what they are doing rather than feeling lost in the process. And because it is one of the most established financial institutions in the world, it carries a strong sense of trust and reliability. Now, when you look at all 5 of these platforms together, something becomes very clear. There is no single perfect stock market app for everyone. Instead, there is a best fit depending on your goals. If you want something extremely simple and fast to start with, Robinhood is often the easiest entry point. If you want to learn from others and see what experienced traders are doing, eToro brings a social learning experience. If you want more data, charts, and deeper analysis, Webull gives you that extra layer of control. If your focus is long-term wealth building and retirement planning, Fidelity gives you stability and education. And if you want a balanced platform that can grow with you over time, Charles Schwab offers a strong all-in-one solution. The most important thing to understand as a beginner is that the app itself does not make you successful. It is simply a tool. The real success comes from your mindset, patience, and willingness to learn. Many beginners make the mistake of thinking that investing is about quick wins, but in reality, it is about consistency over time. Even small investments made regularly and wisely can grow into something significant if you stay disciplined. Another thing you should always remember is that the stock market is not a guaranteed way to get rich quickly. It is a place where money grows over time through smart decisions, research, and patience. There will be days when the market goes up and days when it goes down. The key is not to panic during those down moments, but to understand that volatility is part of the process. As you start your journey, take your time to explore these apps, try their features, and learn at your own pace. Do not rush into big investments immediately. Start small, observe how things work, and gradually build your confidence. The more you understand, the more comfortable you will become with making decisions. In the end, the best stock market app for beginners is the one that helps you stay consistent, learn continuously, and invest with clarity instead of confusion. Whether you choose Robinhood, eToro, Webull, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab, what truly matters is that you take the first step and start building your financial future one decision at a time.